That's crazy. I'll just wait till we get up there and I'll show it better. Right, Jeff?
Hey.
Dude, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Well, look at all the people over there. I gotta get the helicopter better. Oh, are you filming?
Hello? There's Jason.
There's Kyle.
We're on the boulevard. There's a big car crash.
And there's a life flight.
Yeah,
Life flight
a chopper just landed on the street.
There's a guy jogging back there.
A chopper landed on.
There's a guy jogging back there. Yep. Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Freaking. I want to see this guy get taken out.
That's all you need to know.
Jeff, right here. We'll chill. Oh, dude. I'm filming this helicopter over there. I want to see the helicopter take off. Dude, nobody else is filming or has their phone out except for us. No, Kyle. Where you going? Oh, dude. They're going to bring him into the helicopter. That's freaking crazy. Survival flight. Hey, look at this mom. Right over there. Call to her. Tell her we're right over here. Oh, dude, that's crazy. I told her that we were right over here. Look at her. She's just standing there.
Across the street?
Huh? No, I don't think she's going to. She can if she wants. She'll be over here. Look at this. Where's he at? They gotta bring him over to the helicopter. So what do you think about this, Kyle?
It's crazy, dude. Okay, we're gonna be in the news, FS Detroit, for flashers and helicopter.
Oh, dude, there it goes.
Or not, so the helicopter crashes, light lighting and helicopter. Oh, there he goes, dude.
I know, it's crazy.
Whoever's watching this on Facebook, you had to be here. It's crazy.
Kyle.
Just saying.
Okay.
Facebook.
Yeah, I want to see it take off.
We're on screen to put it on. His mom's over there.
Yeah.
But she can't talk. Here we go.
No, do you want to?
Stay over here.
Yeah, I want to. Kyle.
Kyle.
I want to watch it.
Get a better view over here.
Yeah, I know. We can get up closer over to the pole if you want.
You can go right up next to the chopper.
No, we couldn't.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to go to that pole? Right over there?
Not really.
Why not?
I just want to see it take off.
Dude, that's badass. Gotta have all this stuff. It's crazy, huh? Wow, there's Clinton police here.
What are they doing?
Clinton police. There's a lot of popo. There's a lot of popo, man. I got a hot baggie that I got down in here.
For this being so serious, they sure aren't getting them out of here that quick.
You can barely see it from this far.
I know, but look at how slow it's taking them.
I know, but it's better than freaking trying to drive all the way to U of M, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because right now they'd probably just be leaving Tecumseh, and we could have all this done.
I know, but still, it's taking forever.
They're going to take off, and they're going to get there pretty fast. Once they take off, see, they still have the blades going. Dude, I've already been recording for like 4.5 minutes. Damn straight, look at all these people looking back at us. That's crazy. You know, we can go straight out in the street and just look. You want to?
Yeah.
You want to go over to Kyle? Yeah, let's go over there. Ooh, dude, that's crazy. That's crazy. But, like, this happened. And has a motorcycle too, so. Hey,
So I was all panicked about you guys. I didn't know where you were, and I can't get a hold of you.
I've been recording this.
Oh, good.
You can go up to that pole. Get a better view.
They're gonna take off now.
Yeah. Pretty soon. Dude, that's crazy. That like they got this all cheap. I want to see it take off. Look at all the paramedics. This reminds me of Grand Theft Auto.
What?
Grand Theft Auto, how you can kill all the paramedics. Alright, now they're taking off. Wow. Taking off now. Pretty goddamn low. Still keeps moving right there. And there it goes.
Dude,
That's
they almost
intense.
lost the door.
Do you think they would have? Okay, that's the end of that. Almost 8 minutes. Wow.